In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste an image from one design in Canva to another. Whether you're a design newbie or a seasoned pro, mastering this skill will streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. Let's dive in and make your Canva experience smoother. To get started, open the Canva design from which you want to copy an image. Once you have it open, look for the grid icon, which you'll find in the top toolbar. Clicking this icon will switch your view to a grid mode. This view is useful when dealing with multi-page designs, as it gives you an overview of all your pages at once, making it easier to select the specific pages you're working with. Next, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold the key, click on the pages that contain the image or elements you wish to copy. This method allows you to select multiple pages simultaneously, ensuring you don't have to go back and forth, which can be quite handy when managing large projects. Once you've selected the pages you need, it's time to copy. You can do this simply by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or Command and C if you're on a Mac. This command copies the content to your clipboard, and now your selected images or elements are ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now it's time to move over to the design where you want to paste your copied content. Open the new Canva design. It's important to make sure you're in your design space, so if you've not already done so, navigate to it now. Position your cursor in the location within the design where you'd like the image to appear. To paste the image, press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. Your copied image or elements should appear in the new design. At this point, you can adjust or reposition it as needed within this canvas. The pasted elements can be resized or further edited just like any other element in Canva. Copying and pasting in Canva is an essential skill that can drastically simplify your design process. This method is especially useful when you want to maintain visual consistency across different projects, or quickly duplicate the same graphical elements in multiple designs. And there you have it, how to efficiently copy and paste images between designs in Canva. By utilizing these simple steps, you can easily manage and streamline your design projects. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to check out Canva's extensive resources or leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!